In this video I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp broadcast messages in Android. It's really simple. You click here in the 3 points of settings and select new broadcast. Here you will be able to select up to 256 contacts to send a message. You have to select it one by one, and then when you're ready, press this. Although you see this message as a group message, each recipient will receive it as an individual message from your line. Remember that only contacts with your number registered in their address book will receive your broadcast message. If you need to send more than 256 messages to any contact that they don't have you registered in their address book, think of using a platform like Sirena, without the risk of having the line blocked or being considered spam.